Hey everyone, this is Travis with Diesel Laptops. Today we're going to show you how to reset the PRV counter on a Deutz engine using the Kajali gel test software. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get ourselves connected. So we're going to choose the stationary engine option here. Choose Deutz. And from this point we're going to choose our engine itself. Now you can break this down by tier levels, and today this is going to be on a TCD 3.6. Then we'll choose our ECM type. Click it once. We'll click our connectors button and choose the connector we're using. After this, we'll click connect. And we'll click read fault codes. As you can see here, we have a code 825 for our relief valve. You can see a little information there, but we want to talk about DTC solutions off highway. So we can look this up in here. Choose Deutz, then choose our TCD 3.6 Tier 4 Final. Once we've done so, we'll just search our code here on the left, or you could scroll down if you wanted to. That was 825, so choose this. That narrows down the list automatically for us. And you see here a description of it, reasons why that happens, some system response, and then down here what you need to do to repair. And you can see you need to reset this with the diagnostic tool. So we're going to show you how to do that. We'll click our back button here, cancel out of here, and come down to the maintenance tab. We'll open it, choose our pressure relief valve, and you can choose automatic or manual process. We're going to do the manual today. Just click accept, click our check mark, make sure our prerequisites are met, the engine is not running. And then we're going to change our count here. We're just going to change this to 0, which will reset it. We'll click our check mark. Give this a few seconds to process. And once this is done, you can see that changed to 0. We're going to go back out and go to read fault codes again. You'll see here now that code is inactive. So we can go ahead and clear that now. We'll just click this trash can here to the right. See the codes have been cleared. Check mark again. And there's no fault codes there. Simple as that to reset your PRV counter on Deutz engines. Thanks for watching.